In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and schedule an engaging Instagram post using Hootsuite all through your Chrome browser. Whether you're a seasoned Hootsuite user or just getting started, this guide will cover everything you need to know to get your content out there efficiently and effectively. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you're using the Google Chrome browser, as it's one of the most compatible options for Hootsuite. Once you're on Chrome, open a new tab and navigate to the Hootsuite website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but assuming you do, simply enter your login credentials. If you've set up two-factor authentication, have your phone or other device handy to complete the process. When you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hootsuite dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your social media accounts. Look for the New Post button, typically located at the top of your dashboard. Clicking on this will bring up a Composer window, the gateway to crafting your next Instagram masterpiece. Now, with the Composer open, it's time to focus on your Instagram post. Begin by typing out your caption or message. Instagram is all about connection, so think about what you want to communicate. Once your message is ready, it's time to add some flair by tagging someone. Type the @ symbol, immediately followed by the username of the person or account you wish to tag. Hootsuite will help you by showing a drop-down menu of suggested users based on what you've typed. Scan through the list, and when you see the correct user, select them to complete the tag. This feature ensures you tag the right people without any typos or errors. With your tagging in place, so complete your post by adding any additional text, emojis, or hashtags you deem necessary. Remember, hashtags are a powerful tool for expanding your reach, so consider what will best suit your post's goals and audience. When you're satisfied with your post, you have two options. Schedule it to go live at a later time or publish it immediately. If you're looking to schedule the post, click on the scheduling option. This feature is a game changer, allowing you to plan your content calendar well in advance. Choose the date and time that best suits your desired posting schedule, taking into account your audience's most active times. Once you hit the schedule button, take a moment to review everything to ensure it's perfect. Alternatively, if you want to publish right away, verify that all the post details are correct and hit the publish button. Your beautifully crafted post will make its way to Instagram and start engaging your audience instantly. And there you have it. You've successfully created, completed, and managed an Instagram post through Hootsuite. This tool simplifies the process, helping you maintain a strong social media presence with ease and efficiency. Keep experimenting with your posts and using Hootsuite's robust features to streamline your Instagram strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy posting!